Hello guys, welcome to pre.code, and today we are solving this problem, that is move zeros. This is again a very easy peasy problem, and every company mostly like this problem because this is so simple problem. Problem is that we have some array with some zeros and we have to bring all the zeros at the bottom. But the interesting part is that we don't need to use any other temporary array, so we can copy all the non-zero elements to that array and we get our desired output, right? So this is not allowed. So we have to use with the single array. Okay, let's go. What we can do it. Firstly, I can explain you with one example array, that is 4 0 5 0 0 8 and 2, anything. Not a big deal. So now I can tell you the proper algorithm that is optimized. So we have to take a pointer 1, that is I, take a pointer 1, that is j. J holds the position for the 0 and I will iterate all over the nums. Okay. So idea is very simple, that we have to swap the numbers with swap the numbers when item is non-zero. That's it. Firstly, I can tell you some iterations. Okay. Firstly, there is 3, good, 4, good, 0, sorry. We can swap it with the next item. Okay, swap it with the next item. So 5 0 0 0 8 2 0. For next iteration, what we can do? 3 4 5 0, sorry, 0, sorry, 0, sorry, 8. Yes, we can swap this 8. We can swap this 8 with this 0. So 8 comes here and 0 will be in place of 8. For next iteration, 3 4 5 8 and 0, sorry, 0, sorry, 0, sorry, and again 2. Yes, we can swap this 2 with this 0. Okay, so we can get this and this is the desired output. Okay, so how we can do it? We can do this solution with two pointers, that is I, second one is j. So we can swap on non-zero numbers. Firstly, initially I and j both are 0. So a of I swap a of j. Okay. So 3 is a non-zero item. Yes, 3 is a non-zero item and we have to swap. We have to swap num of I at num at I swap with num at j. So 3 is swapped with 3, then I plus plus j plus plus. After swapping we can uh, plus the j's iteration. 4. Now again I is non-zero element, so we can swap 4 with the 4 and go next. Again 0, that is 0. So we don't need to uh, increment of j, we just increment I. Then 5 is a non-zero. Yes, 5 is non-zero. So the number present at ith position will be swapped with the jth position and j plus plus. Okay, like this. Now again that is 0. So do nothing, do nothing, do nothing. Yes. Now this I is swapped with 0 and that 8 comes at j's position and j will be plus plus. Then again 0, nothing, 2, yes. So 2 will be swapped with the jth position. and this will come to here, and then j plus plus, then again 0 0 0 0 nothing, and we will get our desired output. Okay, so firstly we can code this. How we can code this? How we can code this? We have to take one variable. This is j is equals to this, and then for int I is equals to 0, and iterate nums dot size, and then I plus plus, and if the number present at I is not equals to 0, okay, non-zero element, then what we have to do? We have to swap number at position I with number at position j. Okay, and j will be plus plus, and that's it. This is too simple. And tada!